People, I'm here again. Y'all know who it is. It is Silk Reacts, guys. Subscribe right now. So I see everyone sending me this artist. They say it's a new artist. Well, not new anymore, bro. Because he been shelling the place, bro. He been shelling the place, bro. Wuff, Wuff. This song is Wuff, bro, by Javo, Donn. Javo, Donn. Yes. Guess he's from Montego Bay in Jamaica. I don't know yet. But let's check out what is going to happen. Y'all want to hear this music, bro? Go over One Code page, bro. Go over my music channel, all over the other YouTube, bro. And leave a subscribe right here and right over there and right over there and right here. You understand? Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate everyone. Let's see what is this guy up to right now. He only have one chance. Do not fail, my people, bro. Do not fail us. We are not a failure. Rhythm sound tough already. Rhythm sound tough already.
Available balance is $92,153,183.
Automatic, what you say? Active right now. Time is now.
My dog sell a beach house and have a title. Where you know about chop like a boy you idle.
Know about chop. Eh?
Spallings like flip. Westmoreland big cook that jeep. Claim say them have a one car and rich.
No.
You understand? Them here 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. Thief panic count FedEx higher than me runner. Where the fuck?
Yo, I saw long he on the phone, bro. They here 6 till 12. Yo, this guy is not capping, bro.
Mean we bring you heat like gonna fuck you mean we. Them nah no money, them a capper, you heard. Watch a big brick from a splurge. Credit card by Rolex first. Your taxi 9 next charge rock man. As the sun out dog, my perch ends, me light the candle, my part the big Benz. Real jagger no post, no talk, you see the well here dropping a hometown, can't see none of them. My skull sent 2 card a yard, dog. My bra father, you know what? I own drink for the card, the dog, I never gave a jack, $250,000, but max got 641 bad man, code that 411 info, brawling chop, all over place, high P get hot, click one link, high.
This guys know what he's doing, bro. He know what he's doing, bro. From he say IP get hacked, he know what he's saying, bro.
Get slapped.
No cap.
All them to pass my life, I see the blood clot with me steer on my body. And one drop it, people you know I slide. How I like
them here?
6 tail gal, oh a gal. You don't see the life for a blood clot live. New input, zero, and the mileage rich. Leeching, Glock, thumb, Tyson.
Oh, we go.
Me rest my Glock, pan her mouth. She feel breeze. Taboo, me tip a gal, shell blue cheese. Rockefellers up,
Suck up, bro.
Them here 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. Thief panic count FedEx higher than me runner. Where the fuck you mean we bring you heat like gonna? Fuck you mean we.
Well, so like people been saying, bro, like some of the new artists, bro, they're tough for real, bro. But people been saying, like, wonder if Vybz Kartel now, you know, get out of jail, if Vybz Kartel can, you know, pass these artists. Like Vybz Kartel is already big, bro. He's already on top, but he just have to take it step by step to compete with what's going on now in the future, because he in jail in the past. You understand? 13 years ago, from 2013. You understand, guys? So you have to catch on. Vybz Kartel have to catch on. So Vybz Kartel dropped the comment. Y'all go check out that song, bro. It is tough, bro. You understand? But these new rhythm, bro, wonder if Vybz Kartel can take on these new rhythm. Not even wonder, bro. He can. You understand, guys? But these young artists is tough. So let's see Vybz Kartel next song, bro. Because these guys going hard, bro. Them here 6 till 12. You understand?
Nah, no money, them a capper, you heard. Watch a big brick from a splurge. Credit card by Rolex first. Your taxi 9 next charge rock man. As the sun out dog, my perch ends, me light the candle, my part the big Benz. Real jagger no post, no talk, you see the well here dropping a hometown, can't see none of them. My skull send 2 card a yard, but dog, my bra father, you know what? 100 one card, dog, I never gave a jack, $250,000, but max got 641 bad man, code that 411 info,
bro. By listening this song, bro, if you can't dance, bro, You have to try, bro. And the song is gonna have you into a vibe like to bounce. You know, you listen.
Chop all over place, high P get hot. Click one link, high G get hot.
Click, hey, tough, bro. 6 is real. I guess he's on the team. He's on the squash team, 6 team. Visual, everything, bro. Graphics, everything, bro. Up and running, bro. His performance is high quality, bro. Trust me. Hey, these artists is going hard. No, y'all want to hear this music, bro? Go over on One Code Music channel right now. Right now, bro. Leave a subscribe. Guys, y'all reached the end of the video. This music is trap music. As in, we call people for a living, okay? We call people for a living. That's right. Chop, chop, chop. No, chop up, not chop meat. You understand? Chop, chop. Hello. Yes, chop. Hey, guys, y'all reach the end of the video right now. This is Silk Reacts. Thank you very much, guys. Check out my previous videos. You understand? Even on TikTok, bro. Even on TikTok, bro. Go over on TikTok and follow me as well, guys. Thank you very much, people. I'm out.